Hello everybody. Okay, right now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Search Console. So what you want to do, you want to go to your web browser and type in google.com. Once you get to google.com, you're going to go to Google Search Console. Okay? Now, once you go to google.com and you type in Google Search Console, you're going to get a page that looks like this. You want to click Google Search Console. Then you want to click Start Now. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. So I'm just going to go put here, let's put creating website for my name. Of course, you'll put your name and information. Let me see. I'm going to change this. I'm going to use you could use whatever email you want. I'm going to use a current email instead. You just need to be able to have access to this email to verify your account. So I'm going to put support@domainpricecheap.com. And my password, I'll just put password. Let me put a password. Okay, and then I'll hit next. So now what's going to happen is going to ask you to verify your email address. Now the way you're going to verify your email address is you're going to get a code from Google search engine. So it should be in your email box. You're going to click that email and it's going to give you a code. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and enter that code right here to verify your account. Okay, so once you verify your account, you'll be ready to go to the next level where I'm going to show you how to add your website to the Google Search Console. Okay, and I would encourage you, if you have bookmarks on your browser, to go ahead and bookmark the Google Search Console. That way you can get to it right away. I bookmarked mine, so I'm going to go to Google Search Console and I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Okay. So this is the process you want to do when you get to your Google Search Console. And I'm going to use this account here. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Okay. You could also save your password. That way when you go to your bookmark and you load up your Google Search Console, it'll come right to your homepage. You could also do that too. All right. So let me get to the old version. I like the old one better. This is the new one. But I'm going to go right here where it says old version. I like using that one better. Okay. I guess, old habits. But here we go. So I'm gonna show you how to add your website now to the Google Search Console. So what you want to do is you want to go to Search Console here. Okay. You want to click right there and you want to click Add Property. So we're going to click Add Property. And the website, put your web address. I'm going to type in HTTP and I'll just use let me see an example. creatingwebsite.org. Okay, you're going to type in your website, whatever your website may be. Okay, and then you're going to click add. Okay, now this is exciting because you're getting ready to take your SEO to another level. Okay, so now it's going to ask you to verify that account. So what I usually do is I use the alternate method. However you want to verify your account, it's up to you, but I'll show you this method of the HTML tag. I find this the easiest for me. Okay, once you click HTML tag, see this code, you want to click it, right click and copy. Okay, now once you got that, you're going to go to your website. You're going to go to your dashboard of your website, and I want to encourage you to get this plugin that makes it real easy to install this code. All right, so you want to go to plugins. I'm going to show you how to get a plugin, free plugin, and you want to go to add new. Okay, once you go to add new, you want to type in insert headers and footers. And you want to search that. So go ahead and hit enter. Okay, now you want to go ahead and install the plugin. I already have it installed. So you want to go ahead and hit install. Once you have it installed, you want to go to settings and click insert header and footers. Okay, now if you notice, right here it says copy the meta tag below and paste it into your site's homepage. It should go in the head section before the first body. So this needs to go in the head section. So with this plugin, it gives you scripts for your header and footer. So you want to click here and you want to insert that code right here. Okay, and then you want to hit save. I already have it, so I'm going to take it out, but that's what you want to do. You want to insert it where it says header. So once again, you get this code, copy it, drop it into this header section, and then you hit save. Okay, now once you hit save, we're going to go back to our search console, see where it says verify. You want to click that, and this is the message that you should get if you've pasted everything correctly. It's going to say congratulations, you have successfully verified your ownership. Boom. And then you just hit continue. All right, let's get into the next section. It's getting exciting, so keep it locked. Okay, good stuff. Now you have officially installed Google Search Console on your website. Now what I want to show you how to do is how to find out what keywords are causing your website to show up in the Google rankings. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and log into your Google Search Console. I have mine bookmarked, so I'm going to go there. And then I'm going to go to my website here, bestseoclass.com. Okay, now usually when you log in, it'll give you by default, it will give you clicks. So I'm going to go ahead and click Open Report. Okay, and now this report is going to tell me how many clicks I've gotten in the last 3 months, how many impressions, and this website is probably about 3 months old. Okay, I started it in April, I believe. Average CTR in average position. Basically, it's like this. Clicks is, let me give you an example. Let me type in bestseoclass.com. Okay, whenever you type a search word in Google, it gives you a result. Now, what Google is telling you for clicks is how many times people have clicked on your listing. Impressions, how many times your listing has showed up in Google. CTR is the percentage of clicks by how many times your impressions have showed up. Basically like this. If I've had 10 impressions and I got 1 click, that's a 10% click-through rate. If I had 10 impressions and 5 clicks, that's a 50% click-through rate. So that's what Google is telling you. Based on how many impressions you've got, how many clicks you've got, that's your percentage. Okay? And then your average position is what place you rank on the page. Are you number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5? Okay? And it just, it goes down the list. All right. So if you want to find out what keywords are causing your website to show up, I'm going to show you here. Scroll down a little bit. Now remember, if you've just set up Google Search Console, let me make this clear. It's going to take about maybe 3 to 5 days for Google to accommodate or, to gather all your information. So you might not see results of keywords and clicks right away. It's going to take about 3 to 5 days. Okay. Now, once Google has started gathering your information, it's going to tell you all this good information here. Example, if I go here and I click queries, this is telling me all the keywords that are causing my website to show up in Google. Now, if you notice, it's only displaying 10, but I have over 600. I have 600 keywords. So if I go here and I click show more, which is I want to show 250, then it's going to show me all the 250 keywords that are causing my website to show up in Google. Now, if I want to see which one's getting the most impressions or clicks, I click that column. So if I click clicks, it's going to give me the one that's got 1 click. If I click impressions, it's going to give me the one with the most impressions. So right now, SEO ranking, the keyword SEO ranking, has got 393 impressions in Google, but 0 clicks. If I want to find out what page SEO ranking is causing to show up in my website, I click this word. This is good stuff right here. And then I click pages. So it tells me all these pages here is ranking for the keyword SEO ranking. And it tells you here how many impressions it got. This page here, which is my blog, got 383. This page here, which is my blog, got 6. This page here, which is my blog, got 4. So the strategy to optimize these blogs would be to put this keyword somewhere in my meta title, my meta description, and my on-page content. Let me give an example, and I'll walk you through that in this next lecture. Okay, so say we want to optimize this page here for the keyword SEO ranking. click on this page, okay, and I'm going to visit it. I'm going to go here and I'm going to go visit the page. I'm going to open it up, okay. So this is going to actually tell me the blog and the page that SEO ranking is causing to show up. So here's my blog. What is search engine optimization? Secrets to ranking. So somehow, there it is. It's probably causing SEO ranking to show up because I have Google SEO ranking. See that there? So my thing would be to go to this blog and optimize my title tag and my meta description for the keyword SEO ranking. So the way you do that is I'm going to go to edit this post, and you should have an SEO plugin installed by now. If not, you can go to your WordPress dashboard right here. Okay, click plugins. I'll just show you really quick. You click plugins. Okay, and then you want to either type in all-in-one SEO, which comes with all of your wealthy affiliate websites, or you can do the SEO Press. You just type add new. Okay, I'll show you really quick in case you're new, you're a beginner. You go over here, you type in SEO Press, no space, and you hit enter. Okay, it's a free plugin, and then you just click install and activate. Okay, so once you have that activated, now we want to go back to our post that we're trying to edit. So let me go ahead and close this so I can go back to what I was trying to show you. I'm gonna click here, and I'm gonna go right to the blog that's causing SEO ranking, or the blog that SEO ranking is causing to show up. So here's my blog. So now I want to go edit that. So I'm going to click edit post, and I'm going to use SEO Press plugin. You can use whatever SEO plugin you have. They're pretty much all the same. Okay, but you want to find your title of your blog and your meta description. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to optimize that for the keyword SEO ranking. So I'm going to scroll down, see where it says title, and see where it says meta description. What I should do is I should put in here something about SEO ranking. Right now, when this shows up in Google, this is how it looks. But it has nothing with the keyword SEO ranking. So to attract those that are actually typing in, because when they go to Google, this is what people are typing in. They're searching Google, right? And they type in SEO ranking. But if my listing was to show up, which is right here, it has nothing with SEO ranking specifically. So let's optimize that. Let's say need SEO ranking, right? And ask them a question. Then check out this blog or something. Okay? I'm just making something up, but you understand what I'm saying? Of course, I would think of something more catchy, but the thing I want you to notice is you want this keyword SEO ranking in your title. So there it is. That's how it's going to look in Google. So I'm typing in SEO ranking. It's called relevancy. If I'm typing in SEO ranking, I want to see something that has that keyword in it. So need SEO ranking, or how about this? Need to boost your SEO ranking, right? Then check out this blog. And you want your keyword to try to be as close to the beginning as possible. So now let's go to the meta description. Secrets for SEO. Learn what search engine optimization. Oh wait, secrets for SEO. Learn what is search engine optimization. So let's redo that. Okay? So our first title is need to boost your SEO ranking. Then check out this blog. In this blog, we will show you how to boost your what? SEO ranking. There's our keyword. Boom. Now we want to stay within the 160. So let's see. Let us show you how to do this. Let us show you how search engine optimization can boost your rankings or something like that. Okay? Can boost your rankings. Now I'm just making this up here. Of course, I would probably spend a lot more time, wording the meta description. But my main thing is I just want to show you how I'm optimizing the title tag and the meta description with that keyword. So I'm going to hit update. Okay. I don't want to spend all your time wording this, but you understand what I'm saying. So if you notice in my title, SEO ranking, in my meta description, SEO ranking. So now it's relevant to the keyword that it is ranking for. So when you type in SEO ranking and my listing shows up, it's more of a chance that you're going to click on it now because it wasn't optimized for the keyword that was giving it a lot of impressions. Look at how many impressions. And once again, the keyword is SEO ranking. All right. So that's how you optimize your title tag and your meta description for keywords. And the next thing you will want to do is real quick. I'll just show you this. You want to optimize your on-page content. So if I go to my blog real quick and then I'll let you go. If I go to my blog, I want to see, is it also optimized for the keyword SEO ranking? So I should put throughout my blog, I should have SEO ranking at least in the first 2 sentences or, at least the first paragraph. So let's see what my blog has. What is search engine optimization? Secrets to ranking. What is search engine optimization here? Have you ever wondered what is search engine optimization? So it sounds like this blog is trying to be ranked for search engine optimization. But we're going to change it up a little bit and we're going to try to rank it for SEO ranking. The definition of the popular phrase is the process of maximizing the number of visitors to a particular website by ensuring that the site appears high on the list of results returned by a search engine. So if you notice, it has nothing about search engine or SEO ranking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to edit this blog, okay, and I'm going to drop the keyword SEO ranking somewhere in the first sentence. So let's see how we could do that, and then we'll be done. Okay, so just keep it locked. All right, so we're going to go to the blog. Okay, let's see where we could fit in SEO ranking. Where would you fit it in at? Let's see. The definition of the popular phrase is the process of maximizing the number of visitors to a particular website by ensuring that the site appears high on the list of results returned by a search engine. What if I put need to boost your SEO rankings? And the cool thing about that is I'm going to put it in an H2 tag. So the 3 places, a few places that you want to optimize the keyword you're ranking for is 1, I would have to change my H1, which is here. 2, I want to change my H2. And then in the bottom, I have an H3. I would need to change that. Put somewhere in there SEO ranking. So let's do that. Need to boost your SEO ranking. Okay, so there's our keyword there. Let's go up here. We got our keyword here. Now I would have to go back and change my blog title, okay, and put something catchy with SEO rankings, and then I need to put it somewhere in this sentence. So let me go ahead and save this. So let's see how we could do it. The definition of the popular phrase. Have you ever wondered what is search engine optimization? Okay, then I figured out how we could do it. How about if we do this? How would you like to boost your SEO rankings? Question. Well, this can all be done through search engine optimization. Boom. And then you ask them, have you ever wondered what is search engine optimization? So now we're making progress. And let's unbold this. We don't want it too much bold. There we go. So now you got SEO rankings in your first sentence. You got it in your H2 tag. You got it in your H3 tag. And then we're going to go change this and make our title with SEO rankings in it. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay. And then, just write regular. Don't write for search engines. Once you've got your first 2 sentences, just write regular. Don't try to, overpopulate it with the keyword. So we're going to hit save work. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to the post. Okay. So what I'm going to do is here, I'm at my post. And this is the title of my post. Okay. So if you can see here, the title of my post is What is Search Engine Optimization? Secrets to Ranking. So I'm going to put, let's see, what is search engine optimization, secrets to ranking? How about if we just keep that same theme? Need to boost your SEO rankings? I like that. And then we'll keep that second part. So need to boost, I like that, your SEO rankings. And then it says secrets to ranking. I like that. So let's update that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back and visit our blog. And let's see how this thing is looking now that we've optimized for the keyword SEO ranking. And the pretty cool thing is you could do this with so many other keywords by going to Google Search Console. You could do all your pages. You could do your website, your blogs. Because now that you have the access to Google Search Console, there's so much more you can do. Okay. So we got need to boost your SEO rankings. We changed that. Oh, somehow our title didn't change. Let me see. Let me update it. For some reason it didn't change. So let's refresh it. Okay. Just make sure it's saved here. And we're going to go ahead and click refresh once that's saving here and make sure that our title has changed. So I'm going to go ahead and click refresh here. Let's see. All right. And while that's refreshing, you know, there it is. Need to boost your SEO rankings, secrets to ranking. I should put a question mark there. So let's do that real quick. Boom. Ask them a question. Okay. And then it'll change it. And now you've just optimized your blog for that keyword where Google already told you what people are typing in for your listing to show up. And the cool thing, you could do this with so many more pages. Like if I take this out, right? And I start from scratch and I click queries. Here's all the keywords once again. And it's only showing 10, but if you want to show more, you click down there. All these keywords you can start optimizing your website for. For example, if we want to do one more, I'm not going to go through it, but I'll just show you the process. Rank website SEO or learn SEO from scratch. That's a good one. So if I click that, I click the keyword and I want to find out what page is causing that to show up. I click pages. Okay. So the page right here, when someone types in learn SEO from scratch, my page that's showing up in Google is this page here. So let's see how that one looks. And then if I wanted to go and optimize it for that keyword, I would look at my blog title, my meta title, my meta description, and my on-page content. So here's my keyword. Go to queries, learn SEO from scratch. What would be pretty cool if I put learn SEO from scratch somewhere here in this title. And then you're optimizing for what people are actually typing in. And if Google tells you you've had 27 impressions, but no clicks. Why? Because there's no relevancy to the keyword that's being typed in. Man, I hope this has helped you out. If you have any questions, post them in the comment section below. Your boy, Pastor Dre, would love to help you out. Big shout out to Kyle for all the tutorials. Big shout out to Lil J for the live events. And big shout out to the WA family for answering questions when I post them in the forum. All right, family. If you have any questions, post them in the video below. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. God bless.